those goosebumps every time. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah, when you're not around.
Good morning. So today, like we did, yeah, right, because she look at her pajamas on. So good morning. Yes, mother.
That's my daughter. She did my
Hi.
Those are cute too. Which ones?
Thank you.
She has the big crochet ones.
Oh, get it now.
Yeah, she did both out here.
My mommy just made a new friend. She makes friends faster than I do. I gotta get on her level of socialness. Whatever. Anyways, me and my beautiful boyfriend are going ATV riding today.
Busting Willie with her on the back. You heard?
No,
Tell her
he's
she gotta
not.
hold on.
No, he's not doing that because I ain't got time to be crying on nobody's ATV. But anyways, so that's at 11:30. So right now we're going to the shop to shop around.
We ain't gonna shop. We just gonna buy some keychains.
Oh, okay. Well, we're gonna get some keychains. So yeah, let's go get it. Let's go get some keychains. Oh, they got the Mama Juana. Oh my goodness, this guys is death. Okay.
That one right there.
This is spicy. Oh, they have different kinds. They got spicy. They got the ones with the little bark branches, tree branches and things inside. You see that? Like, oh my god. So the first day here they gave us Mama Juana or whatever it's called. When I say that shit will have you on your ass, it'll have you on your ass. I couldn't even finish it, and I mixed it with water and it was still strong as fuck. So I was just over it. I wish you could turn on. I'm recording from my phone today.
He said Majestic. How many people from Majestic? No, 32. 6 people.
You ready, babe?
Well, my eyes look crazy.
I'm ready for this.
Be here, B.
I'm actually letting him drive today. That's a big step to let him take control.
Yeah.
So Dad just started pouring. So I don't think I'm going to be able to record the whole experience. Unfortunately, like, look at that. Can you see that? It's like legit pouring outside. Y'all see that? Yeah, so I'm not going to be able to record. So I'm just going to have to catch you guys when I get off.
Welcome to the typical house. It's not my house. No, the Luis Miguel house.
Hello. Hola, Miguel.
It is coffee. So Dominican Republic are number 12 country in the world, the best coffee. The first one is Brazil, second Colombia, 12 we are Dominican Republic. We process 2 different coffee, Robert's coffee and Arabic coffee, not sure Arabic coffee. If we are color green, we wake up red or yellow. When we get those color, we dry straight on the sun about 2 weeks. After 2 weeks on the sun, we dry on the semi-automatic machine. Then we dry on the Dominican microwave. Then we dry on the grande.
Hey.
Oh my God, Luis Miguel, Mama Juana. Yes. Mama Juana.
Yes.
Inside, 2 different roots. 2 different roots inside the bottle not work, not effect. Zero effect. We put 12 different medicine roots, you can see. Then we put a rum, wine and honey. When you try this one, you never can stay like this. No. You have to move. Ooh, wow. This is the best mama juana de Punta Cana. Just see on the hood you can get it. Because that bottle live for 30 years. No, it's not too long like back in the hotel. 30 years. When they finish, you put a rum, wine and honey, and then Hakuna Matata whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, thank you so much for your attention. The blah 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 is finished. My time is over, but don't move. No, stay here. Now we're taking hot chocolate and the hot chocolate.
Cigar.
Anybody else?
No.
Closest thing to hookah.
Huh?
Closest thing to hookah.
I mean, hey, maybe we could take it back to the hotel. Good morning, guys. So today is our last day here. Yeah, I'm just super tired. Yesterday, after we came back from the ATVs and everything, we went to eat, and I ended up getting sick. I wasn't feeling good for the rest of the day, so I just stayed in my room and was just letting it all out. I think that's because this is the most that I've ever eaten beef and pork in a while, because I've been trying to stop eating it, and the last time I ate beef was like about 8 or 9 months ago, and during this whole trip that's like majority of what I've been eating. But yeah, I think that took a toll on my body because I just was not feeling it yesterday. So yeah, but today's a new day. I feel 10 pounds lighter, and yeah, so right now I'm about to go eat again. I just want to relax today and just chill on the beach and soak up some sun, because I ain't getting no kind of tan. Like, I was trying to come out here and be like a nice chocolate, like a deep chocolate, and clearly it ain't happened. So I'm just trying to get some tanning going. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna go by myself maybe. Let me see if my boyfriend wanna come. But yeah, if not, I'm gonna go by myself. My mother's like laying down, she's over it. And my brother is knocked out. They went to the club last night. They left me I mean, I wasn't feeling good anyway. Would have been nice for them to ask me if I wanted to go. So yeah, I'm about to shower, get ready, and just go to the beach. I'm recording from my phone right now because my camera, the battery is like a little low. But yeah, my mom is like done for the rest of the day. She's knocked out. I'm not really tired. I just want to really take in this trip and this day. So I'm just like up and aware and looking. My boyfriend and my brother are so drunk. They were literally throwing up. So yeah, I think my boyfriend and my brother actually went upstairs because I don't see them anymore. They were like legit a few seats away, and they're not there no more. Now I feel like I just lost my child because I have my boyfriend's room key. So unless he went with my brother, I don't know where they went. Yeah, let me go find them. I'll be back, y'all. Found my boyfriend. He is slumped. Oh, baby. And my brother ain't no better. Poor baby.